Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare fresh lion's mane. First, ensure your mushroom is firm and white, indicating freshness. Gently wipe it clean with a damp cloth to remove any dirt or debris, avoiding washing until ready to use. Next, carefully trim off any tough or discolored sections, especially near the base, to ensure the best texture and flavor for your culinary creation. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious meal. Once cleaned, you have a couple of options for slicing. For a steak-like experience, slice the mushroom into pieces about 1/2 inch thick. If you prefer a texture reminiscent of crab or lobster, you can gently shred the mushroom with your hands or a fork. Regardless of your chosen cut, it's crucial to pat the pieces completely dry with a paper towel before cooking to achieve a perfect sear. Lion's mane is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Sautéing it in a pan with butter or olive oil until golden brown is a popular choice, enhancing its delicate flavor. For a tender interior and slightly crispy exterior, try roasting slices at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. Grilling also works wonderfully, imparting a delicious smoky and savory taste. Experiment to find your favorite method. The flavor of lion's mane is truly unique, often described as mild, slightly sweet, and reminiscent of crab or lobster. To keep your fresh mushrooms at their best, store them in a breathable paper bag in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. This helps maintain their texture and prevents moisture buildup. And speaking of keeping things clean, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.